Well, hello there. I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making Valentine Meringue Kisses. If you want to surprise your Valentine without a typical box of chocolates, you have to give this one a try. This is also a great recipe not only for Valentine but all year round. So let's start. First off, throw your egg whites into a bowl. Make sure you clean your bowl so there's no grease left, otherwise your egg whites won't whip up right. Start off by whipping the egg whites until they get foamy. I used normal caster sugar with some packages of vanilla sugar to give it a nice taste of vanilla. You can use vanilla extract if you want. Add a tablespoon of sugar at a time and whip for 1 minute. Repeat this until you added all the sugar. The egg whites are done if you can do this. It should look like a thick shaving cream. I added some red food coloring to give it that Valentine feeling. Once you've mixed in the color, put the egg whites in a piping bag. If you don't have one, you can use a Ziploc bag like I did here instead. Scrape in every last bit and pipe the mixture on your sheet. Bake them for 1.5 hours on 100 degrees Celsius or 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They should look dry and feel dry. If they're still glossy and sticky, leave them in for a bit longer. And there you go, your homemade Valentine Meringue Kisses. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and see you next time with your dinner.